What's on, guys? My name is AJ. I apologize about my flash. Alright, guys. I'm gonna show you guys my DIY fire alarm pulsation. But it's not only a pulsation, it's a key operated only pulsation. Well, people have these in such as hospitals or facilities because they don't want people playing it as for a joke. So that's why this is the fire alarm I chose to pick. And then found this pretty cool. So it says, and there's the keyhole right there, arrow right in there. So, and I'm gonna show you guys and I got another fire alarm, but it has the built-in, but it's a switch. Just pull down in case of fire. And what I have is this fire alarm control panel. I made a annunciator right here. I made, and the coolest thing I did, I made a fire alarm strobe light, but it's a speaker mounted on the wall with mounting tape. I put mounting tape right there. There's fire right there, and I'm gonna connect this to my computer right here. Literally standing on my seat. So yeah, let's search this up. So we're gonna put in there it is. Fire alarm sound. That's what it's gonna sound. Alright guys, so I'm gonna connect it to Bluetooth. Alright guys, so let's see. Alright, it's connected. Let's do this. Alright guys. This padlock key. This key goes to this lock. But this will be the fire alarm key. So first, we're gonna test we're gonna do the fire alarm. All it takes is a key where you turn it and then you pull it down. I'm gonna set down the camera key right there. Let me get this camera to focus. Let's do this. Alright guys. Turn it up. And then Alright guys, I pulled it. And it's sounding. And it's sounding like that. See? It's sounding. Now I'm gonna reset it. Alright guys, so I reset the system. Now, oh, my brother's coming. Alright guys, Mackie didn't come. Sorry. Now we're gonna reset my pulsation. So, we set down the camera real quick, put the key right there. Put that right here. Yeah. Alright, take the key. Pull it back up. There. Now the fire alarm is reset. And now, the next thing we're going to test here is this pulsation right here. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we're gonna reset it. Reset. Silence. Alright guys, we're gonna reset the polling station. So we're gonna make it's really cool. We're gonna turn the key. Fold that up. And place that. And we'll lock. Okay. The polling station's locked. So yeah, that's a really good DIY fire alarm polling station. Especially the key operated only fire alarm I made. Makes it to where no one can pull it for fun. So it's pretty cool. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Goodbye guys. Peace out.